Security is a fundamental aspect of engineering systems, ensuring that operations remain safe, reliable, and resilient. In today's interconnected world, these systems often form the backbone of critical infrastructure, making their protection essential. Effective security measures help guard against threats, prevent unauthorized access, and maintain the integrity of data and processes. By prioritizing security, organizations can minimize risks, safeguard assets, and ensure the continuity of essential services. Ultimately, the role of security in engineering is to create a trustworthy environment where innovation and productivity can thrive. Integrating security from the outset of system design is essential to safeguarding data and operations. When security measures are considered early, potential risks and vulnerabilities can be identified and addressed before they become critical issues. Common threats, such as unauthorized access, data breaches, and software exploits, often arise from overlooked weaknesses in architecture. By embedding security principles into every stage of development, organizations can reduce the likelihood of costly incidents and ensure a more resilient system. This proactive approach not only protects assets but also builds trust with users and stakeholders. Building secure engineering systems requires a thoughtful approach that integrates security into every stage of development. Adopting best practices, such as regular code reviews, thorough testing, and robust access controls, helps to minimize vulnerabilities and protect sensitive data. Proactive security measures not only reduce the risk of breaches but also foster trust among users and stakeholders. Over time, these strategies can lead to lower maintenance costs and improved system reliability. By prioritizing security from the outset, organizations position themselves for sustainable success in an increasingly digital world.